What I build. Imagine you're a developer who wants to contribute to open source, but you have no idea when a good issue drops. With Issue Watch, you just paste a GitHub repository URL, pick the labels you care about, like good first issue or bug, and hit subscribe. That's it. The stack is React Native with Expo on the front end and a Node.js Express backend with MongoDB, integrated with the GitHub, OpenRouter, NVIDIA API, and Expo push notification infrastructure. Let me walk you through Issue Watch. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see a clean onboarding experience, followed by the login screen. You can sign in using either GitHub, OAuth, or email. Next, I click the GitHub login button, which redirects me to GitHub's authorization page. After connecting my GitHub account, I'm redirected back to the app. Once authentication is successful, I'm taken to the main dashboard. Here you can see the subscription page, where users can add GitHub repositories and specify which repository issues they want to track by providing the repository URL. After that, they have the option to choose issue labels for tracking specific types of issues. Here, I selected the bug and good first issue labels for testing purposes. Once the repository is added, users can see all their added repositories as cards. Each card has 3 options. The first option is hide/visible, which allows users to decide whether they want to track the repository without deleting it. The second option is notifications on/off. If a user turns notifications off, issues will still be tracked normally, but the user will not receive notifications about them. The third option is edit, which allows users to modify the selected labels later if they want to change what types of issues are being tracked for that repository. Now, for the notification and issue tracking demonstration, I will use the same repository whose URLi added to the app and create a random demo issue. After creating the issue, I should be able to see a notification in the app. Therefore, I will add a title and description to the repository issue and select the same issue labels that were chosen when adding the repository to the app. The selected labels are bug and good first issue, so I will add those while creating the issue as well. It would also work if I added only one of the labels, because at least one matching label is required for the issue to be tracked and for the user to receive a notification. So let's wait until the issue is fetched. The timing will vary depending on the subscription. If the user is on the default subscription, issues are fetched at 60-minute intervals. If the user is on the premium subscription, issues are fetched at 10-minute intervals. We also provide an option for users to add their own GitHub token for fetching issues instead of using the default one. In that case, the user only needs to wait about 30 minutes until the next issue fetch. So let's wait and see. Yeah, as you can see, we received a notification saying that an issue was detected. By clicking the notification, it opens the app and shows the tracked issue on the dashboard. Can you see? 2 additional labels have been added here. Initially, we were only using the bug and good first issue labels to track issues, but here you can see 2 extra labels, critical and security, added in red. This is because we use the NVIDIA API with the Meta Llama model to analyze the issue and determine what type of issue it is. Based on the analysis, the system automatically adds additional labels according to the issue category, such as critical, security, normal, etc. The AI model also generates a summary of the issue. This feature mainly helps users quickly identify the severity and type of an issue, making it easier to understand which issues are important and require immediate attention and which ones are less critical. In the notification panel, users have the option to follow a particular issue if they want updates about it over time by clicking the follow button. All followed issues can be viewed on the following page. The follow feature helps users stay updated on issue activity by sending notifications whenever the issue is assigned, someone comments on it, the issue is updated, closed, or a related pull request is merged. These updates are delivered through notifications, just like the issue fetch notifications demonstrated earlier. For example, if someone comments on a followed issue, the user will receive a notification about that activity.